everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute headband. I use 4mm hook and 4mm cotton yarn in this headband. Insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, make a slip knot and chaining. Make chain 1, 2, 3, 4. I made 15 chains in here like this. I show. In here add 1 chain, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over. Skip 2 chains, go to next chain, insert your hook into this chain, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together. Make 1 double crochet in each chain for first row. Insert your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns like this. Repeat like this for first row. 1 double crochet in each chain. In here I show we made 15 double crochet stitches in here with first chains. I show with these chains we have 16 stitches in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 stitches with first chains. We have 16 stitches in total. Turn the work, make 1, 2 chains. Yarn over, make double crochet from back loops. We have 2 loops in here, go to back loops. Take back loops on your hook, make 1 double crochet in back loops. Continue from back loops. 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, take back loop on your hook, make back loop double crochet. Back loop double crochet in each stitch. Continue like this. I show we made 8 stitches in here. Continue and make chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 chains. Add 15 more chains in here. Go to next stitch. Yarn over. Go to next stitch from back loop. I show. Make double crochet. Make back post. Double crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, same as this side, 8 stitches in total. 8 stitches in this side, chains, 8 stitches in this side. Continue and complete this row. 3 stitches, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, go to last stitch. We made 8 stitches in total. Turn the work, make chains, 2 chains, and repeat from back loops. Same as before rows. Go to back loops, take back loops on your hook, make 1 double crochet in each stitch 8 times. Make back post double crochet. We have 8 stitches in total. Go to last stitch, make a last double crochet. I show we have with first chains. In here we have chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with these chains. Go to these chains. Insert your hook into these chains. I show. Insert your hook, pull up yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Make single crochet. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Insert your hook. I show 1 more, make single crochet, pull through. 9, 10, 11 single crochet, 12, 13, 14, 15 single crochet in total in here in these chains. We have 15 single crochet in these chains. I show like this. Go to this stitch from back loop, same as before stitches. Take back loop and repeat 1 double crochet in each stitch from back loop 8 times. I show in last stitch. Go to last stitch, make 1 double crochet and complete this row. We made 8 stitches in total. Turn the work, make chains 1, 2 and repeat same as before rows. Make 8 double crochet from back loops. I made 8 stitches in here. Make chains. We made 50 chains in before row and repeat same as before rows. 15 chains, skip this stitch, go to top of double crochet stitch, make double crochet. From back loop insert your hook and repeat same as before row, 8 stitches in total. I show in last stitch, go to last stitch, make 1 double crochet, turn the work, make chains, make back post double crochet stitches 8 times and make single crochet stitches. Repeat these 2 rows, make more rows. Continue like these rows and make more rows. Make 15 single crochet in total. Make 8 double crochet in this side. I made this stitch. You can make larger than this size. Repeat like these rows and make more rows. Measure this work around your head. In last stitch, continue like this. Make 2 chains, go to back loops, insert your hook, make double crochet 8 times. In this side I made 1 2 3 4 double crochet 5, complete 8 stitch, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 stitch. In last row skip this stitch, go to other side, this side, top of this double crochet stitches and make double crochet. Make 8 stitches in this side, skip this stitch and complete last row. Make 1 double crochet in each stitch. In total we have 16 stitches with first chains. Go to last stitch, make double crochet. I show in here, pull up this stitch. I show second row, grab second row in first I show. You can continue with hook and make these rows. Pull up a stitch and make